How do student athletes avoid injuries to keep up with their peers? Imagine being a student athlete, juggling classes, practices, and games. The pressure to perform can be intense, but staying healthy is key. So, how do these athletes avoid injuries while keeping pace with their peers? Let's break it down with some practical strategies. First, a comprehensive physical assessment is essential. Before the sports season kicks off, student athletes should get a thorough checkup. This helps spot any health issues or muscle imbalances that could lead to injuries. A sports medicine professional can offer personalized advice on how to stay fit and safe. Next, gradual conditioning and training are vital. Jumping into intense workouts can cause injuries. Instead, athletes should start with lighter exercises and slowly ramp up the intensity over several weeks. This gradual approach helps strengthen muscles and ligaments, allowing the body to adjust safely. Proper warm-up and cool-down routines are also important. A warm-up should take about 20 minutes and include dynamic stretches and movements specific to the sport. Cooling down afterward helps reduce heart rate and muscle tightness, aiding recovery. Strength and balance training should not be overlooked. Targeted exercises that build strength around key joints, like knees and ankles, can improve stability and lower injury risks. Balance training enhances body awareness, which is especially useful in preventing common injuries like sprains. Hydration and nutrition play a huge role too. Staying hydrated helps prevent cramps and fatigue, which can lead to injuries. A balanced diet rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals supports muscle repair and overall health, keeping athletes in top shape. Rest and recovery are just as crucial. Getting enough sleep and taking rest days helps prevent overuse injuries and burnout. Athletes should listen to their bodies and avoid pushing through pain. Seeking medical advice when discomfort arises is important for long-term health. Using proper equipment and safe techniques cannot be ignored. Wearing the right protective gear, like helmets and pads, and using equipment correctly can significantly reduce injury risks. Learning the rules of the sport and practicing safe techniques is essential for protection. Avoiding overuse and specialization risks is another key strategy. Playing multiple sports and taking breaks from year-round training in one sport helps prevent repetitive stress injuries. This variety promotes balanced physical development and reduces the chance of chronic injuries. If injuries do occur, prompt treatment is necessary. Addressing swelling and pain quickly can make a big difference. Returning to play should only happen after full recovery and rehabilitation to prevent re-injury. For student athletes balancing sports and academics, integrating these injury prevention strategies is vital. Efficient time management that includes conditioning, rest, and recovery alongside schoolwork supports both athletic performance and academic success. Prioritizing health allows these athletes to keep up with their peers both on and off the field.